Hey guys, time for a quick meal at Wrapchic. Now, I've come across this Indian fast food chain in shopping centres and airports across the UK, and I thought, why not try out the food? Let's see what they got on the menu. On the breakfast menu, they've got paratha with different fillings. Raposa, which is samosa, is a toasted sandwich with any filler. Burritos, a bowl of different fillings. Wrapchos, which is nachos. I guess these fast food places do have their own names when it comes to food. So it's time to place my order. Quesadilla.
Quesadilla. That's the quesadilla with the naan.
With chicken Rajasthani.
With chicken Rajasthani, naan, cheese. And that's the Nachos with the cheese.
Actual cheese. Yeah. And the masala tea.
Masala tea.
Personally, I've never come across a Quesadilla. Basically, this one, it's naan with Rajasthani chicken, which is a blend of mint and coriander with a topping of cheese. This seems a big piece of naan, and that's why I requested to be cut in half. Nachos with mango, mint and ketchup sauces. And not to forget the masala tea, which is tea with different spices. Personally, I wasn't expecting my food on a restaurant level, as this is a quick munch for people on the go. Chicken is tender and delicious. I can taste the refreshing mint and coriander. Goes well with the sauces provided. The naan itself is soft. Goes very well with the fillings. With the nachos, it's pretty much the same taste everywhere, depending upon what you have on top. Nice and crispy, not bad at all. The tea was spot on, loved it with the spice. So overall, I had a good afternoon meal. Can't complain about the food and the service here. As I mentioned, it's a quick munch whether you wish to sit and eat or on the go. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.